Hello, welcome to another Hirayat video. This is where the longing for belonging never ends. I am Tiasha and today I will be taking you to the Sajla waterfall, which is one of Manali's best kept mysterious waterfalls. So Manali is a very mainstream destination right now in Himachal Pradesh, and usually when people come over here they either go to the mall road or shopping or all of the famous cafes and pubs. But here's the thing, when you're done and dusted with that, or if you want to do something a little bit outside of what is mainstream, then you have to come to the Sajla waterfall. So the Sajla waterfall, if you're taking a cab from Old Manali, it is going to take you somewhere around 45 minutes to reach the waterfall. Now there is a smaller waterfall that you can see from the roadside, but if you want to see the big one, beautiful one, then you have to hike up a bit, and that is what we are going to be doing today. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to Hirayat and come on this journey with us, because I would love to show you what the Sajla waterfall looks like. So the beginning of the hike is within the very small village of Sajla, and after a while you're going to be hiking through the woods, which is once again a very, very beautiful experience, and that is where we're headed now.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my
After hiking a bit through the woods, you can find the small temple behind me. The doors are closed and all, but it's written Jai Veer Devta. So I'm guessing it's for the local people worship over here. Also, it is said Sajla waterfall is really sacred to the local people over here. So whenever you come, please do be extremely respectful. Another very interesting thing is, the moment you cross the temple, you can actually hear the sounds of the waterfall and then walk towards it. So let's go and check that out.
but we get up and start from the ground.
Okay, so finding the waterfall is actually really easy, because on several rocks you'll find signs with arrows giving. Apart from that, you can also find this pathway, which is, barbed wire on both sides, and for some reason there are also like thorn plants on the barbed wire given. Not sure what the reason is, but it's there. Anyway, pretty easy to find, and we're still walking towards the waterfall. We haven't reached yet, but let's catch you again when we do. Okay, so we have visited the Sajla waterfall, spent a lot of time over there. But the reason why I'm recording the last part over here is because there was a lot of sound over there. Anyway, it was a sight to behold as I had expected. And yes, people do go to Jogani Falls and all, and Sajla isn't that famous. But believe me, when you're in Manali, you should absolutely come to Sajla waterfall and spend a lot of time there. When the water falls and there's this pool down below, so you can even take a swim or a bath over there if you want to. You'll also find a lot of small cafes run by local families where you can find tea, coffee, Maggi, Sidhu. So you can also eat over there, and that is actually going to help these local families a lot. So the walk to the waterfall is somewhere between 20 to 30 minutes, and if you are going to take a cab from Old Manali to Sajla waterfall, it is going to cost you somewhere around 1500 if you're taking say an auto. But if you want to take public transport, you can do that also, because there are quite a few local buses that will drop you over here. Anyway, keep watching our videos to know about such awesome places, and if you like this one, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Hirayat. I will see you in the next one. Okay, so guys, this is not okay. Littering is not okay. Plus, when you're coming to the mountains, especially to somewhere that is so beautiful, where the nature is so beautiful, you have to absolutely respect it. Otherwise, there won't be any of this left anymore. If you're bringing something like this, plastic packets, whatever it is with you, take it back. It's all right. Put it in your bag, put it in your pockets. Take it back, put it in the trash properly. Please, please do not leave these things in the nature. It's going to ruin it. And once again, it is not okay. Please tell your friends or people you know not to do this as well, and if you find any of them, maybe take them with you and put them in the correct place.